Let's check our next example. Now I apologize for the sound distortion on the previous video. Example 2 says a bowling ball has a diameter of 12 inches. Calculate its volume. So we have this bowling ball, and it says that it has a diameter of 12 inches. So that means that from here to here, by the way, that's my best rendition of a bowling ball. From here to here, it's 12 inches. So actually, let's label that. Let's label that. That's 12 inches. That's the diameter. Right. So if the diameter is 12 inches, and the formula for the volume of a sphere is this, and it needs the radius, then that means we're going to have to divide this by 2, and that gives us, obviously, 6 inches. So then we simply use this in the formula, and we have the following. And substitute it for r. 4 pi times 6 to the power of 3 over 3. Let's move this up a little more, and we get 6 to the... Actually, let's just put it all in the calculator. So 4 times pi times... Oh, I messed up here. Right? So 4 times pi times 6 to the power of 3 divided by 3. That gives us 904, and actually let me put the dot there because we're approximating 904.8 up to 1 decimal place. 0.8 inches cube. Right, but let's round it off. So I'm just going to round it off to 905.0 inches cube. So we can say therefore, right, the typical, therefore the volume of the bowling ball is 905 inches cube.